Topping our news at this hour, two men previously convicted of a 1994 murder and robbery have been ordered released from the state prison. Freddie Lawrence walked out of the Montana State Prison at around 2:45 this afternoon. At his side, two attorneys from the Montana Innocence Project who helped secure his release. Lawrence has been in prison for more than 2 decades, serving time for the murder of Donna Marr and the robbery of the Jackson Creek Saloon. Last Friday, a judge overturned that conviction, clearing the way for the release of Lawrence and his co-defendant, Paul Jenkins. The order freeing Jenkins and Lawrence was filed this morning after Lewis and Clark County District Judge Kathy Seeley overturned their convictions and ordered a new trial. In a ruling issued last Friday, Judge Kathy Seeley said new DNA evidence casts significant doubt on whether a jury might convict Jenkins and Lawrence of the murder of Donna Marr and the robbery of the Jackson Creek Saloon. At a hearing in March, new evidence was presented showing that there was no DNA at the scene matching either Jenkins or Lawrence. However, DNA did match that of David Nelson. Nelson, a known criminal with a history of violent kidnappings and robberies, is currently serving prison time for a double homicide in Deer Lodge. According to Judge Seeley's order, both Jenkins and Lawrence are to be released on their own recognizance, with Lawrence set for immediate release and placed in the custody of the Montana Innocence Project. He's to live in Missoula in housing arranged by the Innocence Project. The state is ordered to give 24 hours notice before it releases Paul Jenkins from the Lewistown Infirmary to arrange for the transportation of his wheelchair and prosthetics. Jenkins, who suffers from severe diabetes, is to remain in Montana and live with his daughter. As for whether or not both defendants will face another trial, in a statement released Tuesday, the Department of Justice says no decision has been made in the case. Now, we learned late this afternoon that Jenkins' family is on their way to Lewistown Infirmary to pick him up and bring him home. Both men have been ordered to avoid alcohol and drugs, have no contact with any victims or witnesses in the case, and make all future court appearances.